Hey, welcome back to your cariboudatascience channel, Buckeye Nation. Today is Monday, August the 9th, 2021. And a big shout out to the two people who viewed this video yesterday. Thank you so much for those two views. I mean it very sincerely. Before we get started, of course, don't forget to click that subscribe button, the like button, and most important of all, to growing our channel, click on that share button. Share this video today on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link to the video into an email and text message and share it with your friends and family that way. So now while this is running, we always need to remind ourselves of some problems with the data. Uh, Back in February, the governor's office came out and said that they had undercounted deaths in the fourth quarter of 2020 by close to 4,000. And the governor's response, rather than going back and correcting the numbers for fourth quarter 2020, he simply decided to add them on to February 11th, 12th, and 13th. And as a result, you can see what those numbers have done to everything beforehand. So these numbers are completely out of proportion to what's already been reported. In actual fact, the highest one should have been maybe here, okay? So what we do is we take these three numbers and we replace them with the average number of deaths per day for those 3 days, okay? And this is what those numbers look like when you replace them with average. Now look at the difference here. Look at the difference here, okay? So anyway, here is the raw death number by day. Here's where the missing numbers are. This is January, and this is probably the February spike right here when he had the three numbers on. Okay, a few monthly, a few summary statistics, descriptive statistics. But here's the number we're all looking for. This is a 7-day moving average on top of daily numbers. You can see here, beginning back in December, we've seen a decline down to here in COVID-19 deaths in the state of Ohio. Now, this would appear to be a spike up. If you look back up here, there's a pattern, okay? This kind of stair step down, okay? So it remains to be seen what's going to happen over here. Whether it's going to continue up, or it's going to start it's going to start stepping back down, okay? But again, let's remind you one other thing. According to Washington University's Institute of Health Metrics and Education, the single best measure of the spread of a disease is daily deaths, not daily cases and not hospital beds, but daily deaths, okay? So here we go. You can see here the raw cases. That's appeared to be a spike up in cases right there. Summary statistics, and now here's our average. You can see here beginning sometime in mid-July, we have seen a decline, an increase in cases. Now again, this is the 7-day moving average. At any point along this line is the average for the previous 7 days. So this is 2,500. This is about 1,250. So somewhere between 1,250 and 1,300 cases are what we're currently averaging in the state of Ohio. But again, this one last note. If it's true what people keep saying, the vaccine does not keep you from getting disease. It simply reduces the chance that you're dying. So what that means is, if the vaccination risk continues to climb, this number here could continue to go up. But this number here could actually go down because the number of deaths are decreasing, okay? So that's one of those things that again, the media doesn't want you to understand. The media wants to talk about cases and hospital beds, okay? Now, I'll leave you with that thought right there. Anyway, thanks so much for your time again, Buckeye Nation. Don't forget to click on that share button, the subscribe button, and the like button. Thanks so much again, Buckeye Nation. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.